My name is Akbar Verji. I am the Diplomatic Relations Member of the Ismaili Center. I'd like to welcome you all to the Ismaili Center. Thank you for coming. We're going to begin this program by inviting AMEENUDDin Thanawala, Acting President of the Ismaili community, to address the audience. Thank you.
Thank you, Akbar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I wish to extend a very warm welcome to our chief guest, His Excellency Ambassador Sanjay Sudhir, and of course to our very special friend, His Excellency Dr. Aman Puri, the Consul General of India. Your Excellencies and distinguished guests, it's a singular privilege and honor to welcome you all to the Ismaili Center, Dubai. We are gathered here today to celebrate a very special occasion, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, 75 years of India's independence, during which India has made great strides and now ranks amongst one of the fastest growing economies on the planet. India at 75 is a young democracy with an aspirational economy, with visionary leadership, diligently introducing and implementing initiatives that will translate the country's growth narrative as uninhibited and all-encompassing, thereby setting the pace for all its people to progress and prosper. Your Excellencies and distinguished guests, as many of you will be aware, the Ismaili community enjoys a deep and abiding, a very special and long-standing relationship with India. Many members of the Ismaili community live in India. The present Aga Khan's great-grandfather spent his latter years there, and his grandfather, Sir Sultan Muhammad Shah Aga Khan, considered India as his home. He built the Aga Khan Palace in Pune, which historically holds great significance and is also the headquarters of the Gandhi National Memorial Society. The majestic building is closely linked to the Indian freedom movement, as it is where Mahatma Gandhi, Kasturba Gandhi, and close aides were confined for some years. In 1969, Aga Khan Palace was gifted to the Indian people and the government by His Highness the Aga Khan as a mark of respect to Mahatma Gandhi and his philosophy. In 2003, the Archaeological Society of India declared the site as a museum and monument of national importance. This commitment to India is ongoing even today, and is evidenced by the numerous initiatives which continue to impact the quality of life of many people in India, principally through the work of His Highness the Aga Khan, the Ismaili Imamat, and the Aga Khan Development Network, the AKDN. 8 of the 11 agencies of the AKDN are actively engaged in India in the fields as diverse as sustainable agriculture, water, sanitation, cultural development, restoration, early childhood, women's development, humanitarian assistance, health, and of course, education. The first Aga Khan school was established in Mundra in Gujarat in 1905. It's a very special honor that Ambassador Sanjay and Dr. Aman Puri not only to welcome you to here today, but also for us to collaborate with you for the 75th Independence Anniversary. Thank you for reaching out to us and look forward to building upon the relationship to even greater heights. Since its opening in 2008, the Ismaili Center has committed to collaborating on programs of quality and depth, bringing it to the pinnacle of the international cultural programs across various disciplines and influences. We have hosted and will continue to host numerous performing arts, cultural, educational, and social activities in collaboration with diplomatic missions, governmental, and civil society organizations. Distinguished guests, may I now please invite His Excellency Ambassador Sanjay Sudhir to address us. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Smiley Center. Thank you for coming.
सकता एक